In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the duration for auto answer call feature. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Settings and then scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Next, here tap on Touch. Then scroll down to the very bottom and tap on Call Audio Routing. Then first tap on Auto Answer Calls and hit on that switcher to enable this feature. Here, just underneath the Auto Answer Calls, you can find the amount of seconds to wait until the call is auto answered. By default, this feature equals 3 seconds, but you can hit at plus sign or minus sign to set any time that you want, and then you can use this feature. I hope it helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.